do this, guys. Oh my God. Let's just hope na hindi ako mahirapan, no? Kasi may gagawin ako. It's 2:35, tapos at 3 p.m. gagawa ako ng juice. That's my plan today. Tapos after na, eat, tapos tulog na. So let's do this. So prep daw. Actually, na-try ko na to sa New Zealand, and then nagustuhan ko siya, but then since it is like $60, hindi ko na siya ginawa ulit. We just washed our face. So. I didn't wear makeup yesterday, so wala tayong mga mascara residue. Next is we dry it. I didn't tissue. And then, remove lang natin. Meron siyang sticky bit dito. Oh my God, that's really, really sticky. Yes. We have to be very close to the mirror kasi hindi tayo makakita. I cut this side, guys, kasi parang nagpo-poke na siya dito. So that's how it looks like. Ano, wait. Ta-da! So that is how it looks like, guys. Give me some grace. First time natin to, pero hindi siya masyadong symmetrical, pero okay lang yan. Medyo nag-struggle ako konti sa glue kasi medyo mabilis lang siya mag-dry back. So hindi ko masyadong na symmetrical yung aking mga eyelashes, but that's okay. Next na tayo. Step 4, apply the lotions. Alexa, can you set an alarm at 3 p.m.?
Alarm set for 3 p.m. tomorrow.
Oh my God, it's 3:05. Nalapas ko. Next is, the perm lotion. So wait tayo na mga 15 to 20 minutes for this one, guys. This is the perm lotion one. And then after nyan, my perm lotion 2 naman. This is the second batch kasi yung first ginawa ko yun for inimitiao. So this one, may garlic to siya. Okay.
Saan mo na yung nasa mata mo?
Oh, kabantay! Nag-ano ko, nag-perm ko ka ng nag-lash lift.
Ay, ginawa ko sa'yo sa
What a mess!
Pilit kininin mo yung eyelids mo.
Ha?
Magpilit kininin mo eyelids.
Lahi mo niya? Lahi mo dito yan.
Profisa rin niya.
Ha?
Dagway, isa mo.
Time's up! Tining! Saan yung buhat? Tawag ng chicken?
Teacher.
Ah, teacher! That's done, and then we are gonna remove this. Tining! Wala!
What's the matter?
May nangyari ba? Oh! Nourishing lotion. Fairness love. Medyo wet pa lang siya ngayon, pero that's how it is. This is what we have. Kingsley's. Oh, sus kalami. Love it. Kumusta ilang ano? Ilang chips ganahan ka?
It's okay.
Soggy. May ilahang kaan. Sarap to. Kasi may juice.
Yeah, maganda yung celery. It's nice, but it's a celery I don't like. Workplace, kaya kailangan na yung relax area.
우회전 taking a ride to journey 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 동선을 타고 난
Hello everyone! Today is another day off. Yesterday was a
Excuse
me. Yesterday was a sleeping day. Literal na sleeping day.
Whole day.
Hell day. Today is our day off.
Bigan ba ako eh?
We are having some chicken.
Watch TV ba nakatugma?
Look. Kain tayo. First time natin kumain ng Oporto chicken dito sa Australia. Wala sila free sauce. Mo dito papaliton tagka $9.95.
Ano kung break na?
No, dito sa ilahang window dapit.
Right.
Need lang siyang sauce gamay.
Nando's gapon, right?
Yeah. Masarap siya pero Nando's pa rin yung gusto ko. Nando's for the win. Especially the one from New Zealand na may liver. Do you know? May liver kami sa New Zealand, guys. Sobrang sarap nun ay. Tapos one time nag-order kami sa dito sa Australia, sa Nando's, and then I asked, meron ba silang liver? Gumano ng babae, oh. Ano pinagsasabi mo, girl? Pero meron kaming liver sa New Zealand. Sarap.
Don't know if you know this too. I'd rather be right here with you. Nothing else matters right now. It's just you and me, boy. 이대로 멈췄으면 좋겠어, 둘이. Don't take your eyes off me, baby. You're the one that I need. 솔직히 말해볼게. 너만을 기다려봤다고. 저수평선을 건너 우주 끝까지 가볼게. With you, with you. 마지막 순간까지 너와 눈을 감아도 너만 보여 난 something right.
Guys, I'm gonna make Dalgona coffee. So we have almond milk, brown sugar, and the coffee. Malapit na maubos. Thank you. So, it's already 4:30 p.m. Let's have coffee, guys. Kasi kung hindi tayo magkakape, makakatulog na naman ako. And we're gonna do a morning shift tomorrow. So, hindi pwede. Wala. Napakakunti lang ng ating kape. If meron sana tayong sugar syrup, pwede lang siya after. After natin to siya ma-whisk. Pero wala man. Lagyan pa natin ng... There. Konting water. And... Ay.
No, I think it's before after.
Guys, there's something wrong with our whisker. Siya ay naghihingalo na. So, hindi ko talaga siya na-achieve. Kaloka. Kanina pa ako dito. Tagal na nating nagkape. Diba, tripping? So, ganito yung consistency niya. It should be foamy. Pero yun nga, hindi ko kaya na manual naman. Nag-try ako mag-manual pero ang bagal. So, that's how it is for now. Ganda sana, nagpo-foam-foam sana to. Palpak yung ating tripping today. This is our coffee. Let's try. In fairness, okay lang naman siya, oh.
Interest paid back over 2 years, and then 5% of all revenue generated in the sports license channel.
Daghanan ako pisik. Grabe pala yung talsik ko sa pag-wiwis kanina. Oh my God, kailangan natin mag-change ng clothes. Hi guys! So fresh na tayo. Tomorrow we're gonna do a morning shift nga. I'm just cutting my nails. Napaka-naughty ko. Haba-haba na ng aking kuko. Every time, nung andun pa ako sa New Zealand talaga, yung nails ko, hindi siya nagkaka-chance na maging super long. Nakakat talaga siya dahil busy. Nakakat siya. Dito talaga, ay, haba ng kuko ko dito. Wag niyo akong tularan. I use gloves all the time. Kasi I know that my nails are long. So, yan. Yan yung aking panangga. Lagi ako nag-gloves. which shouldn't be. Grabe. Sa Pilipinas talaga, very strict. Mga clinical instructors talaga. Pag long yung nails mo, may ano ka agad. Ano man tawag doon? Hindi ko na, may extension ka agad. Pinas, pero dito, you can observe there are so many nurses na medyo mahaba yung nails, tapos may color pa. Naloka ako. So sabi ko, hindi kayo masyadong strict dito. Ako nga din. Which shouldn't be. Already 10:09, kailangan ko nang mag-chill ata para makatulog tayo ng early, which I don't think so. Kasi galing tayo ng night shift and nahihirapan na ako mag-adjust. Katawan natin, hindi na masyado nakaka-adjust very quickly from a night shift than morning. So, yeah, let's see how we go. Look. Meron tayong gagamitin para sa ating nails. Ang cute niya. The brand is Flawless. Ayan. So, pwede kang mamili. I think if you want to file your nails. The others, buffer ata to. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gamit ng iba. Pero, ito pala, oh. So, ayan yung mga labels nila. Pang file, pang smoothen, pang buff. Ano pa yung isa? Pang polish, pang perk, pang cuticle. May cuticle pa. So, I'm gonna use the file. Tapos may settings. Oh, may light pa siya, ha? Lumalaban. Murag makurog. Sugasad. Uy! Wala hinay gamay. Ilag ko ba? Wait ha. Grabe ka siya. Grabe siya mag-vibrate. Wait. Kailangan natin to ng stable yung ating kamay. Tama ba to? Uy! Ano ba yan? Gusto ko sana hindi masyadong intense naman yung pag-ikot.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow.
Good morning! What a morning! Ay, grabe. Nag-struggle talaga tayong mag-adjust, guys, kasi nga galing tayo ng night shift. So, wala tayong masyadong tulog today, unfortunately, pero babawi tayo after shift. And yeah, I am ready to work. Nagkakape lang tayo dito. Just using my phone.
Yeah, should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time?
Galing ako sa police station, nagpa-certify ng ating mga documents. So now, we're here sa mall. Westfield Mall tayo. Okay. Maghanap tayo ng kainan, guys, because we're hungry. Yeah, Michelle here. Neighbor lang namin tong Westfield Mall.
About you every time. I remember that it's over. Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument. So I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything's going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah, you would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
tayo sa accommodation and ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating mga nabili kanina. So, pumunta kami sa Fresh Market na andun lang sa mall. Namili tayo ng mga fruits na naman, guys. At saka, veggie. So, meron tayong celery. Very fresh na celery, guys. Meron pa kaming celery dyan sa fridge, pero yung celery natin medyo old na. So, bumili tayo ng bago. And then, we also have, may naiba man. Meron tayong Julie's na sugar crackers, biscuits. We have this very big pineapple. Ooh. Ganyan siya kalaki. Aray, gata. Bumili lang din kami ng onions. Tapos yung apple nila, sobrang ganda ng apple nila ay. Ganito kang ganda yung apple nila. Tining. Look at that. Napaka-fresh looking ng kanilang apple. Parang kakapik lang. So, ayan. Tapos, oranges as well. We have lemon. And we have carrots. Ayan. Yan yung binili natin doon. Perfect. Magjujuice tayo. Siguro bukas na, guys. Kailangan nating mag-recover today. Recover. Kailangan nating mag-catch up sa ating sleep today. So, bukas na ako mag-juice. I'm planning na celery, tapos apple. Masarap na yan, guys. Na-try ko na kasi yan before. Arrange muna natin to.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out